step into the Audi 2013 Q5 Premium Plus. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: Audi MMI Navigation Plus Package, Convenience Package, Lighting Package, Premium Plus Package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Audi Music Interface with iPod integration, CD player and radio data system. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.